Hey everybody, Ryan Palma here at Sustainable Lumber. I'll give you a quick peek of our showroom and office here in Missoula, Montana. We specialize in rustic wood flooring and wall paneling. We have 8 colors and 3 textures of pre-finished Douglas fir flooring. We sell our ton of beetle kill pine, that's it over there in the corner, and a wide selection of wall paneling. Gonna walk you around and show you some of our products. Stone wash flooring. Hey buddy, this is our Mountain Collection Bighorn flooring. It's our stone wash prefabricated panels and our pallet wood panels, which are also on the fireplace over here. So now I'll walk you upstairs and kind of show you upstairs. So maybe we'll wait till the next video for upstairs. So this is kind of our home away from home. Appreciate your business. And for more information, check us out online. Thanks.